ASUS router guest network password not saving. Browser reset. Step 1. Accessing router settings. First, you'll need to access your ASUS router settings. Open your web browser and type in your router's IP address into the address bar. Then enter your username and password when prompted. Step 2. Navigating to guest network settings. Once logged in, look for the guest network option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to expand the guest network settings. Step 3. Changing the guest network password. Find the authentication method or WPA pre-shared key field for the guest network you want to modify. Enter your desired new password here. Make sure it's a strong password. Step 4. Navigating and saving settings. After entering the new password, scroll down and click the Apply or Save button to ensure your changes are saved to the router. It may take a moment for the router to apply the new settings.